Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix iPhone hotspot keeps disconnecting problem. So the first fix is disable maximize compatibility. For this, go to settings, tap on personal hotspot, ensure maximum compatibility is turned off. This option is turned off, maximize compatibility, turn off this option. Now the second fix is to turn off Wi-Fi assist. For this, go to settings again, tap on mobile service or cellular, scroll down and you will find Wi-Fi assist option. Here, simply turn it off. If it is turned on, turn it off. The third fix is disable low power mode. In settings, search low power mode, and if it is turned on, turn it off. The fourth fix is keep screen on. For this, go to settings, select display and brightness, scroll down to auto lock and select never. Auto lock. This 30 seconds, make it never. Now the fifth fix is check content and privacy restriction. For this, go to settings, select screen time, go to content and privacy restriction, and if it is turned on, turn it off. Enter your passcode and turn it off. So that's it. By following these steps, you'll fix your hotspot keep disconnecting problem. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.